What does the future look like? By 2030, technology will transform our lives in ways that seem straight out of science fiction. Today, we're counting down 15 revolutionary advancements that will redefine humanity by 2030. Let's dive in. And now, counting down to the future, number 15, brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, as they're often called. These represent a monumental leap in how we interact with technology. Imagine controlling devices with your thoughts. No screens, no typing, no physical contact needed. It's a direct, intuitive connection, just pure mind-to-machine connection, a seamless integration of thought and action. BCIs are already demonstrating their life-changing potential, restoring movement to paralyzed patients, offering a new sense of independence and control. But by 2030, they'll move beyond the lab and into everyday life, becoming as commonplace as smartphones. Companies like Neuralink are racing to make BCIs safe and accessible, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're starting with critical medical uses, addressing conditions and improving the quality of life for those who need it most. From there, the applications will explode, expanding to consumer tech and transforming how we interact with the world. Picture composing emails, effortlessly drafting messages with the power of your thoughts, or creating art with your mind alone, expressing your inner vision in ways never before imagined. But with this power comes big questions, profound ethical and societal considerations that we must address. How do we protect our thoughts from hacking? Ensuring the security of our minds becomes paramount. What does privacy mean when your mind is online? The very definition of privacy will need to be redefined. The first mainstream BCIs will likely debut as assistive devices, offering life-changing support to those with disabilities. From there, the potential is limitless, promising a future where the boundaries between mind and machine blur. The race to connect our brains to the digital world is on, and it's accelerating, bringing us closer to a future we once only dreamed of. Number 14. We're diving into the realm of next-generation connectivity, exploring technologies that will redefine how we interact with the digital world. 6G networks. The successor to 5G, promising speeds and capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. If you think 5G is fast, prepare to be amazed. 6G will be 1,000 times faster, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in data transmission. Imagine a world with near-zero latency. Download hundreds of movies in a second, experiencing instantaneous access to content like never before. Or experience real-time holographic calls, bringing people together in immersive, three-dimensional communication. Envision citywide networks of autonomous vehicles, seamlessly communicating and navigating with unparalleled efficiency. 6G will combine ground towers, the familiar infrastructure we see around us, with satellite constellations, creating a truly interconnected global network. This will allow for true global coverage. No more dead zones anywhere on Earth. Connectivity will reach even the most remote corners of the planet. AI will manage the network, optimizing performance and ensuring seamless operation. It will be predicting congestion, self-healing disruptions, ensuring a stable and reliable connection at all times, and even mapping your environment with radio waves, opening up new possibilities for location-based services and environmental monitoring. The digital divide could disappear, bridging the gap between the connected and the unconnected. Ultimately, making high-speed internet a global utility, accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. 6G isn't just fast, it's a paradigm shift. It's smart, adaptive, and everywhere, ready to transform industries and empower individuals. The invisible superhighway of the future is almost here, promising a world of unprecedented connectivity and innovation. Number 13, the genetic revolution. A new era is dawning, one where the very building blocks of life are open to modification and redesign. CRISPR gene editing, a revolutionary technology, is rapidly moving from theoretical possibilities to tangible, real-world cures. It's a tool that allows us to precisely target and modify DNA sequences. By 2030, we could potentially eradicate a wide range of hereditary diseases, freeing countless individuals from the burden of genetic predispositions. Imagine a world without inherited illnesses. And even more remarkably, we might be able to make humans inherently resistant to a variety of viruses, bolstering our natural defenses against future pandemics and widespread illness. The same technology also enables the development of drought-proof crops, ensuring food security in increasingly arid regions of the world. Furthermore, we can engineer carbon-capturing plants, enhancing their ability to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. This will transform agriculture practices and provide innovative climate solutions, helping us combat the effects of global warming. Quantum computing, with its unparalleled processing power, will supercharge genetic research, accelerating discoveries at an exponential rate. This will unlock new therapies for previously untreatable conditions, and lead to a deeper, more profound understanding of life itself at the molecular level. However, the ethical debate over the potential for designer babies and human enhancement will undoubtedly intensify as the science continues to advance. The rapid pace of scientific progress demands careful consideration of the moral implications. We're moving beyond simply treating disease. We're now actively rewriting the very code of life, altering the fundamental blueprint of existence. The power to edit nature, to reshape the world around us, is now firmly in our hands, a responsibility we must wield with wisdom and foresight. Number 12. Fully autonomous cars. By 2030, Level 5 self-driving vehicles, no steering wheel, no pedals, will be a common sight. Robotaxis will replace personal car ownership in cities, making transportation safer, cheaper, and more efficient. These vehicles will communicate, avoid accidents, and recharge wirelessly as they drive. Interiors will become mobile offices or living rooms, transforming commutes into productive or relaxing time. Parking lots will shrink, cities will be quieter and cleaner. The car becomes a service, not a product. The era of human drivers is ending. Number 11. Hyper-personalized food. 3D food printers will create meals tailored to your health, mood, and taste, on demand. Wearable sensors will guide your nutrition, and lab-grown meats will be a sustainable staple. Want a steak with a hint of citrus? Just dial it in. Food will boost your focus or help you relax, engineered for your needs. The future of food is personal, precise, and printed. Your kitchen will be as smart as your phone. Number 10. Instant global travel. Hypersonic jets and vacuum trains will shrink the world. Fly from New York to Tokyo in 2 hours or ride a Hyperloop from LA to San Francisco in 30 minutes. These technologies will revolutionize business, tourism, and even where we choose to live. Daily commutes between cities hundreds of miles apart will be possible. The concept of distance will be redefined. By 2030, the world will feel smaller than ever. Breakfast in London, lunch in Sydney, no problem. Number 9. Digital scent control. By 2030, you'll customize your environment's smell as easily as you change a playlist. Wearable and home devices will generate or neutralize scents on demand. Download a fragrance for work, the gym, or a night out. Or eliminate unwanted odors entirely. Digital experiences will include scent, making movies and VR more immersive. Scent will become a new layer of digital personalization. The world of smell is going high-tech. Number 8. Climate control tech. By 2030, AI-powered geoengineering will help manage Earth's climate. Space sunshades could block solar radiation, while drones disrupt hurricanes or induce rain with precision. Large-scale carbon capture will turn CO2 into fuel or building materials. These interventions will shift us from climate mitigation to active planetary management. The goal, a stable climate for future generations. We're becoming stewards of Earth, by necessity. Number 7. Humanoid robots as household assistants. By 2030, robots will handle chores, caregiving, and even childcare. They'll learn your preferences, adapt to your home, and free up your time for what matters most. For the elderly and families, robots will provide support, safety, and companionship. Major tech companies are racing to perfect these machines. The ratio could reach 1 robot per household in developed nations. Your next family member might be made of circuits and steel. The age of helpful robots is here. Number 6. AI-powered health scans. By 2030, a 10-second checkup at home will be routine. Smart toilets, mirrors, and blood analysis kits will monitor your health continuously. AI will analyze your data, flagging issues before symptoms appear. Doctors will use this data for earlier, more effective interventions. Healthcare will shift from reactive to proactive. Your home will be your health hub. Number 5. Smart clothing. By 2030, your clothes will monitor your health, protect you, and change style at your command. E-ink and micro-LED fabrics will let you download new designs instantly. Built-in sensors will track biometrics more accurately than wearables. Self-healing and adaptive fabrics will respond to your environment. Fashion and function will merge. One garment, endless possibilities. Your wardrobe will be as dynamic as your lifestyle. Clothes become your second skin. Number 4. 3D Printing 2.0. By 2030, we'll print entire houses in a day and even human tissue for medical use. Construction will be faster, cheaper, and less wasteful, solving housing shortages worldwide. Bioprinting will create custom skin grafts and eventually organs. In space, astronauts will print tools and habitats using local materials. On-demand manufacturing will be key to life on Earth and beyond. 3D printing will build our future, literally. Number 3. Infrared drone squads. By 2030, fleets of autonomous drones will monitor and protect our world. They'll detect wildfires early, manage crops, and inspect infrastructure for problems before they escalate. AI will coordinate these drones for disaster prevention and food security. Privacy concerns will need strong regulation, but the benefits are immense. Drones will be our invisible guardians, saving lives and resources. The sky will be full of silent protectors. Number 2. True wireless power. By 2030, charging cables will be obsolete. Devices will charge over the air, at home or on the road, thanks to room-scale and road-embedded transmitters. Electric vehicles will recharge as they drive, and implants or sensors will run indefinitely. Power will be as ubiquitous and invisible as Wi-Fi. Unlimited battery life will unlock new possibilities. The last cord is about to be cut. Number 1. Mars colonization. By 2030, the first permanent human outpost on Mars will be underway. SpaceX and others are racing to land settlers, build habitats, and extract resources from the Martian surface. The goal: self-sustaining life with greenhouses, oxygen production, and local manufacturing. Monthly cargo launches will support the colony, creating a new Earth-Mars supply chain. Watching a city grow on another planet will change our perspective forever. Mars is humanity's next frontier, and our ultimate backup plan. The greatest adventure in human history is about to begin. There you have it, 15 glimpses into a future arriving faster than we think. These technologies will converge, blurring the lines between human and machine, digital and physical, Earth and space. The challenges are huge, but so is the potential for progress. Which of these predictions excites you most, or gives you pause? Let us know in the comments. The future is now, and we all have a front row seat.